Hi, I'm Eloise Armitage, Director of Obsequium Consulting. So the 9th of February saw the unanimous passing of the Professional Standards Bill in the Senate to an industry divided. But whether you support the regime or not, it's safe to say that the industry-wide uncertainty surrounding the amendment, evident since its inception to Parliament in November 2016, has now been put to rest. So the new professional standards regime will come into effect in 2019, whereby current and new advisors entering the industry will be required to fulfil some new obligations set out in an academic framework. With over 1,500 advisors starting to give advice and entering the industry in 2015 and over 2,500 in 2016, it's really come as no surprise to us that education providers have seen a real spike in interest in some of their courses relating to this new regime. Mentor Education founder Dr. Mark Sinclair, however, stated that advisors, dealer groups, education providers and other stakeholders are still patiently waiting for a little bit more clarity around the syllabus for these bachelor degrees, any bridging courses and transitional arrangements for current advisors. Further to this, uncertainty still obviously remains as to how the new regime will affect current RG 146 requirements, which we understand that ASIC intends to address in the wake of the decision, specifically around how the standards setting body intends to approach scaling depending on authorisations, so for the provision of personal or general advice to retail or wholesale clients or for Tier 1 or Tier 2 products. But what we do know for certain is that the new regime will come into effect on the 1st of January 2019, whereby new advisors entering the industry will have to hold that bachelor degree, and existing advisors will also have to meet certain education requirements through any transitional arrangements. That'll allow them until 2021 to pass an exam and 5 years until 2024 to fully meet these requirements. So if you'd like to know more about this topic or find out how it affects your business, please get in contact at obsequiumconsulting.com.au and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates.